नमस्ते बच्चों, आप सबका स्वागत है आपकी मैथमेटिक्स की 9th क्लास की वर्कशीट 23 में। लास्ट टाइम हमने लाइंस एंड एंगल्स से रिलेटेड में आपको पढ़ा था लीनियर पेयर एक्सियम्स के बारे में। आज थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ते हैं। इफ ए रे स्टैंड ऑन ए लाइन देन द सम ऑफ टू एडजेसेंट एंगल्स सो फॉर्म्ड इज 180 डिग्री, जो हमने लास्ट टाइम पढ़ा। सच ए पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स इज कॉल्ड लीनियर पेयर। आज हम इससे रिलेटेड जब दो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस होती हैं तो एंगल्स क्या क्या बनते हैं उससे रिलेटेड बात करेंगे। तो एक थ्योरम है आपके सामने, आइए उसे प्रूव करते हैं। इफ टू लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर देन द वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल। ये हमने पढ़े भी थे, आज इसकी फिर से बात कर रहे हैं कि वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं। कैसे प्रूव करते हैं? वी हैव गिवन ए फिगर. A line AB and CD intersect each other at point O. AB and CD intersect at O. As a result, two pairs of vertically opposite angles such as 1, 2 are vertical opposite, 3 and 4 are vertical opposite angles. We have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 must be equal to angle 4. Okay? Now, in proof, ray OA, this is ray OA, this OA, stand on the line CD. This line is CD. Okay, take some different color. This is line CD and this is row OA. It means these two angles are adjacent angles and we know the sum of two angles is 180 degree if the rays stand on the line. This result is given here. Therefore, angle 1, this one, and angle 3, this one. Angle 1 plus angle 3 must be equal to 180 degree. Again, similarly, row OD, take some more color. This is OD, this one is OD. This is a straight line. Then again, same result, we can use angle 2 plus angle 3 must be equal to 180. Again, the same condition are there. One ray stand on the line. The sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Now, in equation 1 and 2, right hand side is 180 degree. It means their left hand side must be equal to each other. Therefore, angle 1 plus 3 must be equal to angle 3 plus 2. Here we write angle 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. And angle 3 is common. We can subtract this angle from both sides. Then we will get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is our required answer. We have to prove that. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly, we can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It's simple. बस आपको थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है तो आपको बहुत ही सिंप्लिसिटी के साथ ये अच्छे से आ जाएगा। Next question, based on this result, in figure 2, ray OS stand on line POQ. POQ is a line. Ray OS, this is OS. Ray OR, this one, and OT, this one, are angle bisector of angle POS and SOQ. OR is the angle bisector POS and OT angle bisector of SOQ respectively. इस तरह से दिया हुआ है and we have to find angle ROT. Which one is ROT? ROT. We have to find this angle. It's very simple because this ray divides this whole angle in two equal parts. It is given the bisectors. Bisectors means two equal parts में divide करना. Bi means two, sectors means equal section करना. Bisectors का मतलब होता है दो equal parts. OR जो आपकी रे है, this is the angle bisector of POS. It means these two angles are equal to each other. Let it be X. Again this is X. Similarly, row OT, this one, row OT, violet color से दिखाया. This is also bisector of this angle. It means these two angles are also equal to each other. Let it be Y. Let it be Y. Therefore, we can use, because POQ is a straight line, then x plus y must be equal to 180 degree. It means x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y. Therefore, we can say 2x plus 2y must be 180 degree, and easily we can find divide by 2 on the both sides of the equation, then we will get x plus y is equal to 90 degree. X plus y means, we can also write here x plus y. X plus y means this angle, and this is called ROT. यही हमें फाइंड आउट करना था. It means angle ROT is equal to 90 degree. It's very simple. Okay, now for practice there are two more questions. Angle POY, this one is 90 degree, and the ratio between angle A and B is 2:3. Means if one is 2, then other will be 3. If one is 20, then other will be 30, and so on. This is the ratio, and we have to find the value of C. This is the C. Okay. तो इसे हम थोड़ा सा और बड़े तरफ करते हैं, दोबारा बना लेते हैं पिक्चर को एक बार आपको समझाने के लिए अच्छे से. आइए, तो ये हमने फिर से इसे रीराइट किया. MN XY, these are the two straight lines. OP is a ray stand on line XY, and this angle is 90 degree, and the ratio of A and B is 2:3. Let's do A and B. These two angles are in the ratio 2:3. Let it be 2x 2y. इस तरह से आप करते हैं, या XY यहाँ आप कुछ और ले सकते हैं. Let it be 2k. So A is 2k and B let it be 3k, and this angle is given 90 degree, angle POY, or you can say YOP. Now XY is a straight line, therefore 3k plus 2k plus 90 degree must be equal to 180, or you can say directly 2k plus 3k must be equal to 90 degree, because 90 को उधर ले जाके आप माइनस करेंगे. आफ्टर ट्रांसपोजिंग वी विल गेट 5k is equal to 90 degree, and easily you can find k is equal to 90 divided by 5 must be 18 degree. Okay, then B must be 3 into 18, because B is 3k, and A must be 2 into k, 2 into 18, 36 degree, but A is not required here. Therefore, we are finding only B. B is equal to 3 into 18 degree, 54. Now, MON is also a straight line, and angle B and C, no doubt these are the adjacent angle, and their sum must be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we can find B plus C must be 180. B value, substitute the value of B, 54 plus C, then C can be find 180 minus 54, and this will 126. It's very easy. You can find it easily. Okay, second question. We have to find x, y, z, and these are straight lines are given. Again, we can use the property of vertically opposite angle. If two lines are intersecting each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, y must be equal to 50. Y must be equal to 50 degree, because 50 and y are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and x and z are also vertically opposite angles. And now P and Q is a straight line, therefore this angle plus this angle must be equal to 180. We can write 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, you can find x is equal to 180 minus 50. Yes, no doubt it is 30, 130. And don't forget the symbol of the degree. Otherwise, you will lose marks. तो x is equal to 130 डिग्री, आप इसका सिंबल जरूर लगाएंगे. और बिकॉज x 130 है, therefore z भी आपका 130 डिग्री हो जाएगा. ओके चिल्ड्रन, इट्स वेरी इजी, बट आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहें, हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें, खेलते रहें, खिलखिलाते रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्न रहें. फिर मिलते हैं अगली वर्कशीट के साथ. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.